I'm gonna make this video about fixing the stepper motor on a vehicle. My vehicle is a 1998 Plymouth Voyager, Grand Voyager SE with a 3.3 motor. This will probably cover a lot of vehicles, the Chrysler Town and Country, and then also the Dodge Caravan. Anyhow, I was having problems with the fuel gauge sticking on the instrument panel, and it was also cutting out. So I won't necessarily go over about how it was cutting out, because there's other videos on that already. But make a long story short, to get it from cutting out, I took this apart, and behind that red connection harness, there's pins, and the solder was cracked on the grounding pin, I believe it is. It's the bottom right one, as you'll see in other videos. But this is specifically for the step motor that I took out right here, which is right here. And so when I first took it out, it was really stiff. It was stiff turning it within the I guess I don't know if it has brushes, but just the axle that the meter is on was really stiff. So anyhow, I looked for some electronics cleaner and could not find that, but I did find some butane and some dust off for like computer keyboards. And but I think this worked. What I did is I inverted this here and then put it down over around the rod, so when I push down on it gently enough to engage the propellant, it crap, I don't know if I just had my mic covered by my finger. Anyhow, let me say that over real quick. I took this butane and put the axle right inside there and pushed down on the white piece to white piece to push the propellant down into the motor. And then I twirled it around, holding it like this and twirling the motor around. And then I blasted any of that butane out with the dust off. And I think it worked because it spun incredibly free. And checking out on the internet, that seems to be a problem on those, is that they're just not spinning freely. So the butane evaporates. I'm just guessing that's like 60 degrees or something, and so it's a little bit colder than that where I'm at. But anyhow, I think that's going to work. So if you're looking for ideas on how to get your gauges working, I think this is one route. I was having a little bit of trouble finding these motors. Of course, you can find them on the internet somewhere, but I'm making a road trip and I want to get this thing running. This is one of my 4 vehicles. Anyhow, good luck. I hope this helped.